What if your next package wasn't delivered by a human? No driver. No knock on the door. Just a robot, or even a drone. It sounds futuristic, but it's already happening. So here's the big question, are delivery workers about to be replaced? Delivery workers do more than drop off packages. They navigate traffic, handle customer interactions, and deal with real-world challenges. Every delivery is different, and often unpredictable. Have you ever had a delivery that required human judgment? AI is transforming delivery. Companies like Amazon and Starship Technologies are developing drones and autonomous robots. These systems can deliver packages without human drivers. Delivery robots are already operating in some cities. They navigate sidewalks and deliver food and small packages. If robots can deliver faster, would you prefer them over humans? AI has major advantages. It can operate 24/7, reduce delivery times, and cut costs. It doesn't get tired or delayed by human limitations. But AI has limitations. Delivery robots can struggle with obstacles, weather, and security issues. They can't handle complex situations easily. There have been cases where delivery robots got stuck or failed to complete deliveries. Human delivery workers bring flexibility, problem-solving, and customer service. They can handle unexpected situations and communicate with customers. They don't just deliver packages, they solve problems. An intervention was needed to fix the problem. The future isn't AI replacing delivery workers, it's transformation. AI will handle simple, repetitive deliveries. Humans will handle complex tasks and customer interactions. So what do you think, will robots dominate delivery, or will humans stay essential? AI can deliver faster. But it can't replace human adaptability. Delivery is about more than speed, it's about reliability. So the real question is, will workers adapt, or be replaced? Watch out for our exciting episode on 5 AI skills that delivery workers must acquire in 2026 to shock-proof their career against AI. This is Infinity AI TV. Infinite stories. Infinite imagination. Subscribe for more news.